Happy to launch the Fijian-made Inner Sanctum Competition also today. This competition was also run by the Ministry last year as part of government's initiatives to grow local awareness to the Fiji International and the Fijian-made by Fijian campaign. Now we have even better prizes also this year up for grabs, which really includes about, I think, a night's accommodation in one of Fiji's finest hotels, exclusive VIP passes to the Fiji International, and a personalized tour of the event. Now all Fijians have an opportunity to experience one of Fiji's greatest sporting events. And to enter, all you have to do is post a picture of yourself holding a product, a Fijian-made product, showing any of the emblems under the Fijian-made by Fijian campaign and onto the Fijian-made Facebook page, and use that hashtag Fijian-made or hashtag Fiji International or hashtag Fiji Now. The competition will also be promoted through the Fiji International Give Golf a Go roadshow, which has already begun around Vitilevu. Yes. The roadshow will provide a lot of Fijians a chance to try their hand at the game, a game of golf. And whilst you're there at the roadshow, you can also enter the Fijian-made Inner Sanctum competition by taking a selfie and posting this on the Fijian-made page. Fiji is a rugby-loving nation, as we all know. However, we do hope that many Fijians will come to appreciate and learn more about golf and be inspired to take up the sport. I think we've got some inspirational characters from Fiji who are taking part in the golf. And speaking of rugby, my second announcement today is, of course, linked to rugby and the close relationship that Fiji International has forged with our Fiji Rugby Union. I'm delighted to announce that the Fijian Sevens team captain, Osea Kolinisau, also Masavesi Dakuanga and Emosi Molivoro, have joined us again this year as brand ambassadors for the Fiji International. And the involvement of these Sevens heroes will be a boost to this year's Fiji International event, especially after they've won gold in Rio. Our rugby styles also join a list of other big names that have signed up for the Fiji International, including Vijay Singh and our Miss World Fiji contestant. I think her name is Pooja Priyanka. We expect a number of local fans, quite a number of local fans to actually be at the event, and I hope you don't miss the opportunity to meet your favorite personalities. And what better stage to do so than the beautiful Natandola Bay Golf Course and at the Fiji International. Fijian government, ladies and gentlemen, is pleased that we are able to partner with the PGA, and we share with them the vision of shaping Fiji into a world-class golfing destination and making Fiji International a prestigious and a permanent event. Again, I encourage everybody to enter the Fijian-made Inner Sanctum competition and come out and join us at the Fiji International. Thank you very much.